everyone, welcome back to Neat Shots. My name is Akriti Goyal and I'm an engineer from BITS Pilani 2010 to 15. So this year I joined NDMC and I'm currently pursuing my MBBS first year. So today is World Mental Health Day and I wanted to come here and kind of talk about it. So, a lot of you must be under a lot of stress. Some of you may have been already been maybe diagnosed with depression, or you may be going through a very hard time, and sometimes it may feel that this is the end of life, इससे आगे कुछ नहीं होगा, life will never get better and things will not improve. So I just wanted to come here and tell you कि ऐसा नहीं है. A lot of times I feel that too, but there are always better days, there are always better times, there are always better things to look to, and honestly everybody goes through that, and there are days when I have felt, there are times, years in fact, a lot of times during my journey in life throughout the last 30 years कि इससे बुरा क्या हो सकता है एंड इससे तो कुछ आगे इम्प्रूव ही नहीं होगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है. थिंग्स विल गेट इम्प्रूव, थिंग्स विल गेट बेटर. द सेकेंड थिंग आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज दैट if you are somebody who feels depressed, lonely or suicidal, it's okay to take help. Please visit a psychiatrist or a psychologist and take therapy is very important. It's very stigmatized and it is something that is looked down upon. हमें लगता है कि कोई therapy जा रहा है तो वो पागल है, वो वो अनस्टेबल है, बट ऐसा नहीं है. जस्ट हाउ वी कैन गेट इल, राइट? जैसे हम बीमार हो जाते हैं, हमें फीवर हो जाता है एंड वी गो टू द डॉक्टर. Similarly, it is okay to feel mentally unwell, and it is very important to go to the therapist or even take medication. Taking medication is not a bad thing. I want to tell you that it is okay to take meditation. It is okay, medication, and it is okay to admit that you're not feeling well. It's not weakness to admit that you're not feeling well. It is actually takes a lot of strength to kind of admit that you're not feeling well. Remember, Deepika Padukone came out and talked about her depression. So she's not weak, she's actually very brave and strong to admit it, to take help, to seek counsel, to tell her friends, family about it. And I think if you are not feeling right, if you're not feeling well, please talk to somebody about it. It could be anybody whom you trust, and find somebody, maybe a counselor who can help you through this. And there are a couple of things that you can do to basically feel better. There are different hormones in the body that can be a bit hacked. थोड़ा शॉर्ट टर्म डोपामीन तो लिया ही जा सकता है बाय डूइंग थिंग्स दैट यू लाइक, बाय टेकिंग अ वॉक इन द ग्रीनरी, बाय बीइंग इन द सनलाइट. दीज आर थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट अप्रिशिएटेड एट ऑल. हमें लगता है कि यार धूप में खड़े होने से कुछ नहीं होगा या ग्रीनरी से कुछ नहीं होता है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, ह्यूमन्स आर ऑलवेज built to be outdoors. This is currently sad that हम पूरे दिन अंदर रहते हैं. We don't get a dose of sunlight, we don't get a dose of greenery, and that is why more of us have bad and bad moods, right? So do these small things, go for a walk, do some exercise. Yoga, pranayama and exercise are the three things that will make you feel better, and that will make you consistently feel better over the time, over the years. It takes a lot of consistency to do it every day, but do it for 5 minutes. अगर आपके पास 10 मिनट नहीं है, 15 मिनट नहीं है, बस 5 मिनट कर लो. You can jog on the spot, listening to some movie, listening to some song. Just get out of the house sometimes and go for a walk in the park. You'll instantly feel better. Sometimes when I feel low, मेरे कॉलेज में एक छोटा सा गार्डन है, मैं वहाँ जाके बैठ जाती हूँ, एंड somehow I feel better about it. Walk in the grass, take off your shoes, I don't know, play with a pet. So many things you can do, but also find out the real root cause why you're not feeling well. And please, since it's World Mental Health Day, I thought no better message than today, but please take care of your health and mental health. And if your mental health is fine, you can always work on your physical health and any goal that you basically want to achieve. But अगर आप mentally ठीक नहीं हो तो आप generally कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. And also it's very important to keep checking up on our relatives or maybe people whom we care about, whether they are feeling okay. Not everybody who is feeling down will come and tell you कि they are not feeling okay. So please make sure that you're checking up on somebody today, so that they are also feeling that somebody is there to check on them. It makes a lot of difference. I hope you guys will take care. Bye.